Today we're gonna have an awesome video for you guys. We're gonna dyno with the Pagani Huayra. So they have this thing listed at 700 horsepower, and today we're gonna put that to the test and make sure that it is accurate. If you recall, when we dynoed the Bugatti, it actually ended up being a little bit stronger than they even advertised it. Click on that video below if you wanna check it out. Anyway, super pumped. They've got it all strapped up, ready to go. Just like Tommy, always strapped up, ready to go.
But first, we made it to Cannibal Garage.
We always get them donuts.
Got him.
There you go. I ate some.
What's up, Ivan?
Incredible.
Like it?
Here you go, big guy.
That's for you.
Oh, thanks. You know what a fat guy loves.
We had a previous vlog where we asked you to guess what the wing was going on.
GTR, baby boy.
Much downforce.
So you guys are...
Yeah, very funny. Very funny.
Steve has like very slight claustrophobia.
Bro.
I know. Very slight claustrophobia. You're like, very funny, and I'm like, he doesn't think this is funny right now.
While we're getting the Pagani dynoed, we're going to do a quick update on the GTR because it is also here at Cannonball. Here is the full, nearly completed engine. They actually have to drop the vehicle back onto it, right? The roll cage's installed. We got the new wing on there. The coming together, needless to say, and Ivan Dude's put a lot of work into this, and it is looking awesome. What else is left?
We have a lot of wiring to do. It's a 2021. It doesn't jive with the Motex. We had to pin it back to a 2019 or earlier GTR. Got about 12 hours into that wiring so far. We got a bunch more wiring to do. Wire harness needs to go on here. The motor's essentially done. The turbo kit's kind of on there. It needs to be put back in the car. Driveline hooked up. The fuel system still needs to be built. That's the one thing. I have the fuel sending unit in the tank, but none of the lines are run. Fuel pump controller's not wired up yet, so a lot of it's going to be wiring.
That's it. We still thinking mid-July?
I think our deadline is reasonable. I'm thinking that we will be able to get this thing done and back to you and scaring the crap out of you.
Spitting fire. Very nice.
Spitting fire.
Awesome. Should we go check out the Pagani? The Pagani's all ready, right? Oh, yes. This looks familiar.
That's a big fan.
So all I'm thinking about is the last time when the Bugatti, when they went really hard on it and it like kicked and it scared the living shit out of me.
Oh, he wasn't here for the 765.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you weren't here for
Is
that.
that scary
That
too?
was a cool one. That hurt my ears. Like, it was the pop, the banks were like actually, that was the loudest car that I've heard in person.
Well, this one has the second loudest turbos, I think, of all of the cars, yeah?
I think the reason they're so loud inside the car is it's all just carbon fiber. It's so light that there's no noise dampening.
Pagani says 700 crank horsepower. Of course, we know some of that's lost to the wheels. We'll call it about 15%. What do you think that, when we calculate it out, what do you think that it's going to end up being? You think it's going to hit that 700?
I was just telling Bailey, I think probably, I'd like to see 630, 635, but that would be on the high end. That's what I'm hoping to see.
I think Pagani is going to under-promise and over-deliver, and we're going to see this at like 715.
That would be insane.
That'd be cool.
That'd
be really cool.
All right, let's do it. All right, so just before he's about to start it up, he's just prepping the computer. Two things to call out. First of all, this thing has aftermarket wheels on it that are probably aren't as light as Pagani's factory wheels. And then second, what we learned from the Bugatti dyno video was that to properly simulate the amount of air that's gonna hit this thing at like 150 to 180 miles an hour when it's kind of hitting the peak RPM, you'd need to have significantly larger fans than this. So this may not be a full real world test and capability of its horsepower, but we should be able to get really close, and regardless, as long as we're really close, that's what we're looking for. Still hoping that they over deliver a little bit. We'll find out soon.
And this is how you move the mirrors on a $2.2 million Pagani Huayra. And then that's how you move them back.
Good job, Johnny.
It snaps. Just slices my hand open for carbon fiber.
RPMs, so I'm gonna get it into fourth gear, which I'm gonna dyno in, and then I'm gonna hold it at 4,000 RPMs and lock the dyno in. I'm gonna slow it down and then get it ready, so I won't be making a pull right away.
We'll see you next video. I'm just kidding. That's all we do. That was the warm up. So we're getting the RPM set for the dyno. I know that would be funny though. Thanks guys for tuning in. We appreciate you. Subscribe, comment, buy some merch.
Did you notice how like the front end was lowering as he was getting the tires?
I did, yeah. I think at like 60 it lowers a bit, and then at 100 it lowers again. But it's cool because the faster you go, the arrow knows to drop the front of the car down. It's neat. The car's pretty. I mean, this thing's kind of smart.
Here he goes for real.
That was really cool. It's what is
That's
that
so
clutch?
scary
What does that
every
smell?
time. Gas.
That's clutch.
It's clutch. It has to be.
Clutch, exhaust, and my farts.
And your breath.
I smell the clutch now.
Yeah,
It took
yeah.
a little bit. It took a little bit.
Wow.
Dude, you guys
geez.
are standing so far back, my ears.
That's
hurt.
heavy clutch.
That
dude.
was, dude. V12s just sound amazing. I
That
wonder
is
what it hit.
so
What did it hit?
668.
Wow.
Wow.
668
awesome.
divided by 668 divided by 0.85. No way. 700. Oh, let me try that out.
So we
What?
think that it's 700 at the crank. Bailey said he Googled it. I'm gonna double check because I want to be sure that's how much they say this car makes.
785 crank horsepower. That was a significant over delivery by Pagani. He's confirming.
I'm confirming now. Right here.
700.
Huayra base 700. Significantly over delivered. That's super impressive. Let's do one more run and see what happens.
All right.
Let's do it. I'm scared to death, but all right.
First pull was so loud that the fire department showed up.
He's like, you
That's
guys are
true.
done. You guys are done.
true.
That's it.
He's gonna
We're
be
disturbing
he's
the
gonna be
peace. All the neighbors at Cannonball. A field.
This is the field of trees.
it's the trees.
All right, so we're gonna do one more fourth gear pull to get an accurate number on horsepower, and then we're gonna rip through some gears, probably do second, third, fourth gear, see if we get some tire spin, anything to make good content. Exhaust tips shifting as the car's accelerating and braking.
If you watch it closely, you can see like the whole back.
You smell that? The clutch.
That's the dyno brakes. It's not the
Oh,
clutch.
it's the dyno
Yeah,
brakes?
dyno
Oh.
brakes. That's what all that black smoke is. It's the dyno brakes.
Oh.
The smoke is dyno brakes, not the clutch. It's on your car. It's the
It's
dyno.
not the car, it's the dyno.
Oh, I feel a lot better about that. Great.
What are we doing a 234?
Dos, tres, cuatro. 234 in Spanish, they called it a dos, tres, cuatro.
Oh, no way.
That is so scary.
Yo,
Dude.
that makes you want to hop it and drive it home so hard. Like seeing that
It
makes
starts
you want.
raining, doesn't
I'm
change
gonna
a
be
thing.
honest though, like it looks more tame than it does when it feels driving it.
It does.
It scared me less than the Bugatti, but that was still scary.
Dude, this is.
Got him.
Thanks, man.
Got him.
That's really impressive. It was crazy because I assumed the Bugatti's all-wheel drive. It's so heavy, and that car was all over the dyno. And this thing is rear-wheel drive, single clutch. And when I drive it, it really feels like the back end goes crazy when you shift. But on the dyno, it's dead straight. There's no like drama. Like it just here, it's like I don't know. That's impressive.
Pagani did it right, and I am all the more excited to get the next new model, bro. Am I allowed to say that? Am I under a non-disclosure to even say that I've got that allocation?
If you are, then we don't have one. That's easy.
Oh, no.
Well, then if you aren't, then we do have one.
657, but again, not the same. Not the same.
It's not, this is not correct.
That looks good.
Yeah. No, it's not correct. So horsepower is going to be correct
Yeah.
for each year, but the torque is going to be off. It still made 657. So.
That was a good
Even
one.
more.
This looks
First
like
pull.
an accurate representation of C's bank account. Here, hypercar. Here, hypercar. Here.
He's right. He is
It looks
right.
just like his bank statement.
We had 3 pulls, basically. Third pull we're gonna exclude because it was done in second, third, and fourth gear. You can't really count on that horsepower number, but the first 2 still stand at just around 780 plus horsepower from the crank, which was amazing. I'm actually shocked because Tommy seemed to think that these things underperformed. That's what he had heard. So we came into here actually thinking that it might underperform, but you know what? I had a glimmer of sparkle in my eye knowing it was gonna do really well. So take that, Tommy. Suck it.
Like that. See, the thing is, if I come in low in the beginning of the video, you guys are like, we gotta see what it is, and then it blows out of the water and everyone's happy. It's showbiz, baby. Steve doesn't understand that.
He genuinely thought it was gonna underperform, and it crushed it. So you know what? Take that, all you
I
haters.
just used to spend so much time with Steve. He's always underperforming. That's never exciting. So
Yes.
my hopes are just naturally low because I'm around him all the time.
Tell us what else we should dyno. I mean, we got the P1 that we haven't done yet. We've got the McLaren Senna.
19.
I'm just thinking hypers. 918 La Ferrari. Has that been dynoed yet before?
That might be a boo-boo, but we could try it.
We should just make one vlog where we dyno the other 4 hypo cars. What do you guys think about that? I said hypo cars.
Hypo cars. I really want to see the Yesko on a dyno.
Oh,
Whenever
yeah.
that thing
Oh.
comes in.
You have my commitment that we are going to be the first to market. So I have a first quarter allocation of the Yesko. I should be getting one of the first ones in the USA. You have my commitment that we're going to find a way to dyno that, and I am so hyped to get that car and to dyno it.
First 1,000 miles. Those will be the break-in miles. Will be dyno. Hard dyno pulls.
We don't break in engines, we break them.
So just to wrap it up, Pagani, you make an amazing car. Today was super fun. It totally exceeded my expectations. What do you think?
I am right there with you guys. Kick-ass car, looks awesome on the road, feels awesome. And you know what? If you guys want to see more stuff like this, like, comment, subscribe below. We want to get to 200,000 subs. You can make that happen. Remember, everything you do is not for profit. Everything you do is for you. And thank you so much and have a great day.
THC deleted scenes. Tommy's vlogging. How do you feel?
Gassy. We should dyno my ass. We should strap it up and I'll go. Yeah, ready?